Hello, today a slight change because you will see my face, just a bit of personal touch. Today I will show you how to extract a color palette, dominant colors from the photo. At first let's choose some photo that would fit well. I mean, you can do this with any photo, but something nice to show. Or maybe this. So let's open it with GIMP, and at first it doesn't matter much what size of the picture is, but if it's smaller it's way faster and it can get slow. This is the original size, so let's scale image like 25%. Okay, now this is full size, and now this step is optional, but I found this gives much better results. So many colors, posterize, and choose how many colors you want on the palette. Let's say 10, okay. And now image mode indexed. Now you have to choose the same count of colors as you use for posterize. Color dithering none in this case because it's very important normally, but here we want just to have colors, not the looks. Okay, so convert, and as you see it takes a bit. Okay, and now click here on the small arrow, add tab, and choose color map. And now you can take screenshot or file, create screenshot. Everything is alright without mouse pointer. sRGB, okay. Snap, and we have our screenshot. Now we can select this palette, crop to selection, and now we can make it bigger. Image scale, let's say 5 times or 10 times, so it will be 1000%. And this is important, interpolation none. Not only for speed, but we don't want any artifacts. Okay, scale. Now let's get back to the original image. Okay, and that's our palette. Let's try quickly with another one. Okay, maybe this. And again, scale 25. And this time I will do this without posterize. Image precision. Let's make a copy. Image precision. Mode indexed 10 colors. And now posterize 10 colors, and again mode index 10. Now I will do screenshot with share X or something like that. And here. Okay, so as you see, these both methods with posterize or not gives a different result. What's better, it's up to you. But let's finish it. So this is the... I forgot which is posterized, never mind. Okay, let's choose any. You can also, for quick selection, do fixed aspect ratio 1:10. As you see, it's poster and portrait, and we want landscape, so just click. Okay, and now we have. It should be precise now. Okay. Control C, Control V, Control V. Okay, and scale tool, interpolation none. It's not the best method because it's the best if we use round numbers, not like, I don't know, 145,7%, just 100, 200, etc., etc. But never mind. Okay, let's something like that. Control C, because we don't want this picture. Okay, and now it's proper. And now it's the palette of this image. One and other one. Of course, there are much easier tools to do that. You can do this, as far as I remember, in ImageMagick. I bet there are some plugins like GIMP for that, but that's pure GIMP way. Okay, and that's all. Thank you very much. Goodbye.